Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log out of Amazon Kindle. To log out of your Amazon Kindle account, first of all launch open your Kindle application on your device. Once you're inside the main home page, tap on the More button at the bottom right hand corner. Now, click on the Settings button from the More menu, scroll all the way down and tap on the Sign Out button. Click on Sign Out once again, and then you will be able to log out of your Amazon Kindle account. That's how you easily sign out or log out of Amazon Kindle. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.